Hello everyone, this is Alejandra and I am filming another quick and easy card, and this time is for whoever won the highlights from Kylie Bertucci in April. And the theme was baby, which to me this one was very special because I have a special announcement that's also to make. The stamp set that I'm going to be using is the Moon Baby. This is retiring, and the Stampin' Up! Has guaranteed to have it on stock until, well, not in stock, but that they will fulfill all the orders until May 25. But after May 25, it's only one supply lasts. So I'm going to be using this little guy at the start, and then I like this Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Do you know how love you are? I think that's really perfect, and it will go real well. I also use the Up and Away Thinless dies, which is the one that has the hot balloon air for the little clouds. And I've die cut them already, so you don't have to be watching me doing that. And this came from the glimmer paper, the Myths and Magic. Yeah, Myths and Magic glimmer paper. And I've used this one, which I think it looks gorgeous. So I think that for clouds, this one is perfect. So here we go. Let me just put this one out. The card base that I'm using is Powder Pink, which is one of our in colors from last year. So this one is 5.5 by 8.5. Then I have a piece of Design Series paper, which is coordinating with this one, and this is the Fresh Florals, and it comes in the colors that the ink colors from last year. This one is 1.5 by 5.5. Yes. And then this one is Whisper White, which is 2 1/4 by 5.5. Yes. So let's just start doing the stamping before anything else. And I'm gonna grab a piece of, yes, any paper, scratch paper, so that I can do my stamping. I'm gonna be using the Memento ink because I'm gonna be coloring with the blends, of course. You know me by now. I mean, you know how much I love those, and definitely it's my coloring technique of choice. If you have been following me, perfect. All right, then I have some stars. I'm just go ahead and put some stars, and the stars again here. And I'll probably at this point I will use this one. Let me just make sure. Yeah. And I probably should have done this one before because I don't know if I have enough space for the other one. Okay. And then let me just see. Oh my goodness. Yes, I think I did it right. Let me just make sure this one is okay. Yes. And I'm going to be having it like so. Perfect. And then I have a few more stars to add. I probably put a little cloud there. So maybe I just put another one here. How about that? So that's all it is on the stamping. Now it's just part of the coloring. And as I said, I'm so excited to just share with you that we are expecting baby number 2. And I'm even more thrilled to share with you that it's a girl. So we are on week 20th, and I'm just so excited. And by the time I'm sharing this video, I believe I'm gonna be like on week 21. So I'm really happy with the news because I've always wanted a little girl, and then my first baby was a boy, which is a joy, and I love it, and I have enjoyed so much having Oliver. He is very active, and oh my God, he's a loving boy, and he runs around the house so much and so playful. it's just great to have a little boy. So this time, honestly, I didn't really had a preference if it was a girl or a boy, because I had enjoyed so much my little Oliver, and he has teach me so much that, in fact, I thought another boy would be great, from the point that he will have a little friend and whatever. But then we find that it's a little girl, and I really got excited because that means I get to experience one of each. And I think having two, one of each, will be a great experience as well. So anyway, so those are my news. I think I'm going to be doing also the umbrella in pink. And you have seen me. I'm just going with the light pink pirouette blend. And then I'm going back with, I'm trying not to do so much on the borders, and more so like in the middle, because sometimes when using the blends, it bleeds. So, and I honestly don't mind it too much, but I know, sometimes, like in this car, I wouldn't like to have the pink outside. So then I have a piece of ivory, and I'm not so sure if I like that one, so bear with me a little bit. Oh, I think it will be perfect. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay. And I'm gonna put. Okay, perfect. Of course, this little baby is gonna have some cheeks, don't you think? So I'm going back with the pink, the dark shade, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of the, because I figure the hair will be more like brownish. And you can see how I'm doing. Here, you do a little bit, and then you kind of blend a little bit. All right. Oh. Let's just do some blending on the hair. There we go. I'm going to do a close-up at this point so you can see it. It has some cheeks, the hair, and a little bit of her body. Then let's go ahead and do the stars. And I think I'm going to start with the light, Daffodil Delight. Okay. All right. I think it's looking really good. And I'm going to be adding also Wink of Estella, because you know me. And I think that all the stars shine, so they need some of that. And I probably put a little bit of darker on some, just to add some shading right there. So yeah. So how about that? We are so excited in our house, and Oliver, I think he's not fully understanding the whole thing that is happening, but he does point on my belly whenever I say, "Where's your sister?" So little by little, I'm sure he'll get more into it. He's gonna be 2 in July, and we are gonna have this little one in September, so he's gonna be a little bit over 2 years. I think it's perfect. They still get to play and share things, so I think it will be a great experience. And like I said, we are so excited with it. So when I saw this vlog, the highlights from Kylie, I got so excited because I was like, if I win, which I did, thank you so much for all of your votes. I said, this is where I'm going to be making it public that we are expecting our second edition to the Miranda family. And this was just perfect because it's a baby car, and I'm just in love doing baby cars at this point, as you can imagine. So anyway, I'm also going to put some in her little pajama and umbrella so that it has something shining on her. So there we go. Yeah, let me just show you how it looks. You see the shining? I feel like that's like the best thing. The Wink of a Stella is the best thing Stampin' Up! Has introduced into the catalog. I'm just in love with it. So anyway, so I'm folding the card in half, the card base in half. Let me just put that. And at one point, I thought I was putting some sky. Honestly, I don't think I will, because I am just loving it how it looks. And now it's just a matter of seeing how am I going to, I think I'm going to be putting this one here. And this one, or let me just go ahead. Or maybe I do this, you know me right now, I always have the thought in my mind, but not really. Oh, maybe I like this one better that way. I think I like it better this way, don't you think? And maybe have this little guy here. Or let's just do it again on the other side. It's always all these decisions, right? Maybe I put this one more towards this area. And I have the larger. No, I think I do like it here, covering some of the baby. No, I don't like covering the baby. That's our star, you know? So I'll put this one here. I think the arrangement is there. Yes, I think I'm going to leave it that way then. So let's just go ahead. Oh. And I'm using my fast fuse. Once I deplete my stock of fast fuse, I'm sure I'll go through this now. But so far, there's still fast fuse that I can use. Ooh, okay. Alright, I might need to trim a little bit of that, and then I'll put it here. Okay, so let's just do that. And the same thing here. Yes. Now let's just trim a little bit of this. Where are my scissors? So you can see there's a little bit showing. There we go. There we go. And then, of course, yes, I think this one will be there. Do I have enough space? No, I don't. What if I do it this way? No, I don't. Yes, I think I'm going to put it this way. So I'm going to put dimensionals on this one. I'm going to put one of the little ones here and here. So let's just take everything out. All right. And then I have all the products that I use, all the description and links of the products that I use on my blog at creatingwithali.com. So make sure to stop by and see it. Also, I have my ordering incentive. And so just remind that every time you place an order using the monthly host kit, which will be in every post on my blog, for every whenever you place an order during that month, you get a card kit in the mail the following month, because this runs for a whole month. So you get a card kit of the month to make 4 cards. Everything is included except the stamping. You'll have to provide that because those are Stampin' Up! Policies. But you'll get everything to be able to make the card. So don't forget to do that. And like I said, I'll put a link to my blog on the YouTube video. Also, the description of the item. So if you're interested in duplicating this card, you will be more than available, because you will see what it is that I use. And don't forget that this stamp set is retiring in the end of May, but Stampin' Up! Has guaranteed that they will supply all the stamp sets through May 25. So anyway, so here is, I think I am in love with it. I love how the shiny clouds match really well with the stars and the pajamas. So anyway, thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.